Hello friends, welcome back in my second lecture, and this lecture is in continuation to the previous one. And further in this lecture I am going to solve various problems pertaining to permutation and combination. So let's start. Number 1, in how many ways can 10 people be seated on a bench if only 4 seats are available? 4 seat means 4 places are there. Places, 4 set means 4 places, 1 2 3 4. Cross means places, and number of bays for filling each places. Now first place can be filled in 10 bays, as any one of the 10% can be placed here. Now after filling the first place, second place can be filled in 9 bays because one person has been used, so there are 9 options for filling second place. Continuing in this way, there are 8 ways for filling third place and 7 ways for filling fourth place. Therefore, by fundamental principle of counting, total number of base is equal to multiply all of these 4 operations, 10, 9, 8, 7, and this will come out to be 5040. That's it. Come to the second question. It is required to sit 5 men and 4 women in a row so that women occupy the even places. How many such arrangements are possible? Must remember, whenever there is a number of base arrangement, that means permutation will be there. Alright. So how many places will be there? All 9 places. 5 plus 4, 9 places. Even must remember, even places are occupied by women. So places, one place, second place, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 places are there, and women occupy the even place. Even place means second, fourth, sixth, and 8, because only 4 women are there. So cross means women and dot means men. Number of ways for filling each places of men. Let's see. First place of men, this can be filled in 5 ways, as any one of the 5 men can be placed here. Now second place of men, that is third, this can be filled in 4 ways. This place can be filled in 3 ways, this place can be filled in 2 ways, and this place can be filled in 1 way. First of all, I am filling only the places which are occupied by men, because when we reach at second place, we are left with only 4 men. So there are 4 options for filling this second place. Next, number of bays for filling women. Now I'm going to fill even places. Now this is even first even place. This place can be filled in 4 ways, as any one of the women can be placed here. This can be filled in 3 ways, this can be filled in 2 ways, and this place can be filled in 1 ways. Now how this 3 is coming? This second even place of women, this can be filled up in 3 ways, because only 3 women are there, 1 is already used. So continue in this way, repetition is not there, because 4 women all are different. So how many operations are total in all there? 9 operations. 5 operations are in this case, and 4 operations are in this case. Therefore, by fundamental principle of counting, total arrangements, that is permutations, arrangement means permutations, arrangements equal to multiply all of these numbers, 5 4 3 2 1 into 4 3 2 1, multiply all of these numbers. These are 9 operations in all. So, and if we solve this will come out to be 2880. Now come to the third question. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using these digits? Digits are 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Out of these given 6 digits, we have to form 3-digit numbers, and then further we have to check how many of these are less than 400 and how many are even. So total number of digits are 6. 6 digits are given there. 3 cases are there. First of all, we will see how many 3-digit numbers are there. 3-digit number means 3 places are there, 2, 3 places, and number of ways for filling each places, that is this one. First place can be filled in 6 ways, as any one of the 6 person can be placed here. After filling the first place, second place can be filled in 5 ways because one digit is used, and similarly third place can be filled in 4 ways. Therefore, by fundamental principle of counting, total 3 digits number will equal to, just multiply all of these and this will come out to be 120. Now second case is, so total 123 digit numbers are there. Out of these 120 we have to check how many are less than 400. That is the second case. Again, places, 3 places are there, 3 digit number of ways for filling each places. 3 digit number less than 400. Less than 400 means 5, 6, 7, 9s are not a possible here. This first place can be filled in only 2 ways, because either 2 or 3 can be placed here. If you place 5, 6, 7, 9 in the first position, then that number will be greater than 400. So first place can be filled in only 2 ways because only 2 options are there. So at a time one digit is used. This place can be filled in 5 ways. Again, this place filled in 4 ways because 5 digit left, 1 used here, 1 used more. So there are 4 options for filling the last place. Again, therefore, by fundamental principle of counting, total numbers which are less than, total 3 digit numbers less than 400 will be equal to 2 into 5 into 4. So this will be 40, right? Now come to the third case. Out of these 120 3 digit number, how many are even? That is what the case 3 is. Again, places, 3 places, cross cross cross, number of ways for filling each places. First place can be filled now even. So first of all, fill the last place. If last place can be filled in only 2 ways, because either 2 or 6 can be placed here, because out of the given 6 digit number, given 6 digits, only 2 are even, 2 and 6. So only 2 options are there. At a time one digit is used. Now come to fill this place. This place can be filled in 5 ways. This place can be filled in 4 ways because one digit used is. First of all, fill this place. This place can be only filled in 2 ways, even numbers. Even number means that is checked by last digit. So therefore, by fundamental principle of counting, total 3 digits even number will be equal to 5 into 4 into 2. So this is equal to 40. So out of 120 3 digit numbers, 40 are less than 400 and 40 are even. Alright, now come to the next problem. Next problem is, if repetitions are not permitted, how many 4 digit numbers can be formed by using digit 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 and 5. Again, 6 digits are given these, and we have also to check how many are less than 5000 and how many are even and how many are odd. 4 digit mean 4 places. Places 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clause means places, and number of ways for filling each places. First place can be, because repetition is not permitted, so first place can be filled in 6 ways. Now second place can be filled in 5 ways. Repetition is not there. 4 ways and 3 ways, right? Therefore, by fundamental principle of counting, total number means 4 digit numbers. Total numbers 4 digit number will be equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, and this will come out to be 360. So these are the total 364 digit number. Out of these, now we have to check how many are less than 5000. That is the case 2. Places, again places 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of ways for filling each places, 5 less than 5000. Less than 5000 means first place can be filled in only 3 ways, either 1 or 2 or 3. Only in these 3 cases number will be less than 5000, because if you put 7, 8, 5 in the first position, then this number will be no more less than 5000. So only first place can be filled in 3 ways. So 3 options are there. At a time one digit is used. Again, next place can be filled in 5 ways. This place can be filled in 4 ways. This place can be filled in 3 ways. Again, because the repetition is not allowed it. Not allowed means once you use any digit, that is not again available for the participation, right? Therefore, by fundamental principle of counting, total number means total number which will be less than 5000, that will be 3 into 5 into 4 into 3. This will come out to be 180. So these are the numbers less than 5000. Next case is, out of these 360, how many are even? Again, places 4, 1 2 3 4 close range places. Number of bays for filling each places, even numbers. So first of all, fill the last number. Last number can be filled in only two ways, because only two digits are there, even digits are there, 2 and 8. You can easily see here 2 and 8 only, in the given digit only two are even. Last place can be filled in only two ways. Now come to the first place. This can be filled in 5 ways because one digit is used here. 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways as usual, because repetition is not allowed. Therefore, by fundamental principle of counting, total number means which are even numbers, will be 5 4 3 2, and this will come out to be 120. Next is, out of these 360 number, how many are odd numbers? Again, places 4, 1 2 3 4 cross means places, and number of ways for filling each places. Odd number means first of all the last digit. Last digit can be filled in how many? It is even odd digits are there, 1 3 5 7. There are 4 digits. There are 4 options for filling the last place, because either 1 3 5 7 can be placed there at a time. One digit will be there. Now come to the first place. Still we have 5 digit, 5 then 4 then 3. First of all fill this, then come to this one, because odd number will be decided by the last digit. Therefore, by fundamental principle of counting, total numbers, odd numbers, will be equal to 5 4 3 4. Just multiply all of these 4 operations. So this will come out to be 240. So that's clear. Total 364 digit number will be there. Out of these 360, 180 will be less than 5000, 120 will be even, and 240 will be odd numbers. Sum of these two is again 360. Now come to the next problem. How many 4 digit number can be found from the 10 digit? Digits are given from 0 to 9, 0 1 2 3 up to 9. So total digit is 10. Conditions we have to apply. Repetitions are not allowed. First case, let's see. 4 digit means places are 4. Clear? 1 2 3 4 places are 4, and number of ways for filling each places. What is case 1? Then repetition is not allowed. So it means first place can be filled in only 9 ways, because 0 is not possible there. 0 not possible. 0 not possible. If you fill first number with 0 as well, then this number will be no more a 4 digit number. That will be insignificant. I hope you are familiar with the significant digits. So 0 is not possible here. Still we have 9 digits. Repetition is allowed. Again we can use the numbers. So again 10 options here. 10 again 10 options here. Again 10 options here. Therefore, by fundamental principle of counting, total numbers, total 4 digits numbers, by fundamental principle of counting, just multiply all of these, 9 10 10 10, and this will come out to be 9000. Second case, when repetitions are not allowed. Again places 4, 1 2 3 4. Number of ways for filling each places. Repetitions are not allowed. In first case repetition is allowed. So again this place is filled in 9 ways. 0 not possible. 0 not possible here. Same reason. Repetition is not allowed. Still we have 9 digits, because 0 is not here. 9 digit, then 8 digit, then 7 digit. Reason being, in this case repetition is not allowed. Once we use any digit, that is not again available for the selection. Therefore, by fundamental principle of counting, total 4 digits number will be equal to, just multiply all of these, 9 9 8 7, and this will come out to be 5 4 3 6 after multiplication. Now come to the third case. Third case is this one. When Third case is last digit is 0 and the repetition is not allowed. Again, places are 4. Places 1, 2, 3, 4. Last digit is 0. This is fixed. We are not filling it. This is fixed. Number of ways for filling each places. First, now repetition is not allowed. This is fixed. We are not filling it. Repetition not allowed. It means 0. We are not in a position to use 0 anywhere here. This place can be filled in 9 ways. This place can be filled in 8 ways. This place can be filled in 7 ways. So must remember, we are filling only first 3 places. This place is fixed. Therefore, by a fundamental principle of counting, total 4 digits number is equal to 987. Multiply only first 3 operation, which will come out to be 504. Don't multiply 0 here because 0 is fixed. We are not filling it. It's already fixed. We are filling only first 3 places. Now come to the next question. Again related to permutation. In how many ways the word in Mississippi be arranged, but if peas are to be separated? So total letters in given word are 11. You can easily count these. Number of letters in Mississippi are 11. How many number of peas? How many peas are there? 2. Number of eyes? There are 4 eyes in this word. Number of s? There are 4 s in this word. Therefore, total number of ways to arrange the letter in given word. Total number of arrangement means simple permutation is there. Total number of ways to arrange the given word. So this is little bit different because some letters are repeating here. I hope you remember this result from the first lecture. X is equal to factorial n divided by factorial p into factorial q into factorial r. This result can be extended in finitely many ways because there is repetition for 3 letters. P is repeating 2 times, I is repeating 4 times, similarly S is repeating 4 times. So using this result, n is here 11, factorial 11, p, this is factorial 2, this is factorial 4, and this is factorial 4. Simple using this result. Right, further, when p, so total number of arrangement means in these arrangement, these are the total number of arrangement in which p's are at different position and p are at the same position. Just like in Mississippi, p are at same position. These are the total number of arrangement. And one of the arrangement is Mississippi. So further, when p are together, P are together means when you consider p as a one letter. So consider these 2 letters as a one letter. It means 2 decrease. 2 letters from the given letter decrease, because 2 we are considering 2 as a 1. 9 first of all, 2 decrease, then because 2 digits are considered as 1, so 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we are left with now total 10 letters because we are considering p add together, that is as a 1 letter. Therefore, number of arrangements in which p are together is equal to, again by this formula, this time n is 10, p as a 1 letter, so this is not repeating here, only these 2 are repeating. I is 4 times and s is 4 times. Alright, again by using this formula. So let us suppose this is number 1 and this is number 2. Since therefore, if p's are kept are to be separated, therefore if p's are to be separated, therefore total number of ways will be equal to total number of arrangements of given word minus all arrangements in which p are kept together. Simply means 1 minus 2. Write down here 11 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 factorial, 4 factorial minus 10 factorial, 4 factorial, 4 factorial, which can be easily solved and by using formula. Simple, just open the factorials. and this will come out to be 28350, 28,350. So all of first 6 questions are related to permutation. Now I am going to solve few questions related to combination. So how will you come to know that you have to apply permutations, fundamental principle accounting, or combination result? Must remember, whenever in the question there is a word committee, selection, team, group, that means there is a combination. If these words are not there, that means there is a permutation. In permutation we can also use fundamental principle of counting. So must remember, whenever there is a word like committee, team, selection, group, so there will be combination. In how many ways can a committee of 5 people be chosen out of 9 people? This can be done in 9C5 ways. Clear? Because total 9 people are there. Out of 9 we have to select 5 people. So whenever there is selection, committee means group, so 9C5. If you solve this by using formula NCR, we are already familiar with this result. This will come out to be 126 easily. This can be easily expanded. Second question, how many committees of 5 with given chairperson can be selected from 12 person? We have to form a committee of 5. Committee of 5 we have to form, and out of 5 one is chairperson. It means rest 4 are simple members. 12 persons. Clear? Clearly, a chairman or chairperson can be selected in 12 ways, equal to 12 ways, because any one of the 12 person can be made chairperson. There are 12 options. It means, so at a time only one person will be chairperson. So still we are left with 12 minus 1, 11 person. Still we are left with 11 person. So out of 11 we have to select 5 members, because committees of member of 5. Out of 5 one is member and 4 are other 4 members. One is chairperson and 4 are other members, right? Therefore also remaining 4 members of a committee of 5 out of 11 can be selected in 11C4 ways, because 11 persons are left, and because one person has been made chairperson, so out of 11, 4 person can be selected in 11C4 ways. There are 2 operations. One operation is 12 ways and another operation is 11C4 ways. So therefore by fundamental principle of counting, total number of how many committees of 5? Total number of committees is equal to 12 into 11C4. Just multiply these two, and this will come out to be 3960. If we multiply 11C4, open this by using formula NCR. Alright, now come to the next question, question number 9. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 2 girls be selected from a 7 boys and 5 girls? Since team consists of 3 boys and 2 girls, clearly team consists of 3 boys and 2 girls. Let's see, boys, girls, maximum boys 7 are available and 5 girls are there. All right, this is given. To select we have to select 3 boys out of 7, and we have to select 2 girls out of 5. So these are given and these we have selected. So out of 7 we are selecting 3 boys and out of 5 we are selecting 2 girls. Therefore required number of ways of selecting a team which consists of 3 boys and 2 girls, that is equal to 7C3 into 5C2. 3 boys out of 7 can be selected in 7C3 ways. Similarly this, and then by FPC. Also, I'm also multiplying, also using the fundamental principle accounting at the same time. Just open this by using formula NCR, and this will come out to be 350. Use the formula NCR. Now next question. Out of 5 mathematicians and 7 physicists, a committee consisting of 2 mathematicians and 3 physicists is to be formed. It means we have to form a committee of 2 mathematicians and 3 physicists. Conditions are these. How many ways can this be done? First part, any mathematician and any physicist can be included. Any mathematicians and any physicist can be included. Let's see here. Mathematician, physics, mathematician maximum are there 5 and physicists are 7. These are given. To select, how many select? We have to select any mathematician, means we have to select 2 mathematicians and 3 physicists. Clearly, maximum 2 and 3 can be selected, and therefore required number of ways of filling or forming a committee is 5C2, this one, into 7C3. Again, at the same time, I am multiplying. I am using fundamental principle of counting for multiplying these two. And because there is selection, so there will be combination. Out of 5 we are selecting 2, so 5C2, similarly 7C3. Second case, one particular physicist must be in the committee. Let's see, M, P, 5, 7, 5 mathematicians, these are given 7. One particular physicist must is in the committee. So we are not going to select one physicist. So this is already there. It means there are 6, and out of 5 we have to select 2 to select 2 mathematicians and 2 physicists, because one physicist is already selected. So because maximum committee consists of maximum 2 mathematicians and 3 physicists. One physicist is already there. It means we have to select further 2 physicists more. So 1 left. So 6 out of 2. 2 out of 6 and 2 out of 5. Therefore, required number of ways of forming a committee is 5C2 into 6C2. Again, I'm at the same time I'm using fundamental principle of counting, and this will come out to be 150, and this will come out to be, if you solve this will come out to be 350. All right. Third case, 2 particular mathematician can't win the committee. Let's see. Physicist, mathematician, physicist, 2 particular mathematicians. So subtract 2 from your 3. This is 7. Now to select, can't win the committee means we are not in a position to select 2 mathematicians there. It means we have only 3 mathematicians for the selection. Out of 3 we have to select 2, and out of 7 we have to select 3. There is no restriction on physicist. So this can be done. Required number of ways of forming a committee of 2 mathematicians and 3 physicists is, out of 3 we are selecting 2 mathematicians, and out of 7 we are selecting 3 physicists. Again, at the same time I am multiplying using fundamental principle of counting. If you solve this will come out to be 105. This can be easily solved by NCR formula. All right. Now come to the last question. Okay, it cannot be completed here. This will be included in the next lecture. Thank you.